Hello YouTube, in this video I will be unboxing the Ultimaxx Universal Digital Slave Flash. This is not an external flash. Designed for SLR and DSLR cameras compatible with Canon, Nikon, Pentax, Panasonic, Olympus, Fujifilm, Samsung, and other DSLR cameras. I'm not sure if it's going to work with mirrorless cameras, but you might want to figure out yourself. It has a adjustable mount bracket, metal hot shoe flash bracket, picture of the slave flash of what it looked like. Here's the back. Here's what that looks like. Designed for SLR and DSLR cameras. Ultra lightweight compact design. Auto preset sensor for red eye reduction. Direct hot shoe photography. Remote flash photography. Built-in digital slave. 3 different slave modes. Ready light indicator. It includes a metal hot shoe flash bracket. It uses 2 AA batteries, which they are not included, and a 1-year warranty. That's the metal hot shoe bracket, if I said that correctly. Comes with this plastic. Let me go ahead and clear the contents. Here's the Ultimaxx slave flash. Did we get any instructions? Nope, just these 2. Oh, there it is. There's the instruction and the warranty. Let's go ahead and take off the plastic. Here it is. In case if you want to know more about this. The warranty. And here's the slave flash. As I said before, it is not an external flash. You got your modes, your normal, slave on, the test, ready, off, on. And this is where you're gonna put your 2 AA batteries in here. And let's go ahead, rip the plastic. Here it is. This is where you're gonna put the flash. There you go. And then this is where you're gonna put your camera. There you go. How amazing is that? This is really cool. I like it. I'm gonna pause the video because I'm gonna grab some batteries, so be right back. I'm back. I wanna make sure that these battery size fit. Here's the picture of where you're supposed to put the batteries. What it looks like. Push it in, close it, and turn it on. And it's ready. If you wanna test it, there you go. It's making a flash. Really awesome. And if you want to look at the manual, here you go. If y'all want to see that. Man, this is so amazing. I'm gonna enjoy this product, excuse me. I call this project, but no, this is a product. Oh, it's really cool. Before I end the video, what's cool is that with these 2 spinners, you can move it. It's really cool. You can spin around. Give the flash again. Really awesome. By the way, it's tight, so yeah, it's spinning slowly. Really cool. And if you want to move the camera, you want to make sure that's not tight too. Otherwise, yeah, it's gonna move slowly. So what are my thoughts about this Ultimaxx Universal Digital Slave Flash? I have to say, this is a neat product. I like it. Thank you Ultimaxx for sending me this product, even though I bought the Canon EOS 2000D off on eBay and it included all the accessories, so yeah. So that's my unboxing video of the Ultimaxx Universal Digital Slave Flash. If you enjoyed that video, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.